Well, last night, after I had posted this video, I started getting comments, and one of the first comments, one of the viewers says, why didn't you pour the extra Alumilite into a mold and just let it build up? You know, there'd be a little bit of blue, and then maybe the next time there might be some red, and there might be something else. And pretty soon you'd have enough to make a blank. Like, this mold is just the right size for a Sierra pen. Anyway, that's a good idea. I think I'll try and remember to do that. In the meantime, this has been in for just over 20 hours now, and I think we can probably safely have a look. Well, that was easy. I could have probably pulled that out with my fingers. Now, see if this will pop off. Not really. Oh, there we go. I don't suppose I'd be so lucky that it would just push out. Now, I didn't want to go too deep in case I accidentally cut into the part that I'm not supposed to. Okay, I got another idea. Okay, let's try it a little different. Once I can get it to start tearing, it should go pretty good. Now, this has turned out to be a lot harder than I thought. My thinking was I didn't want to accidentally, touch the blue there. Well, I think I'll eventually get it. Maybe I can just sort of tap it loose here. I don't think I went deep enough on this side. Let's try this. There we go. wondering what these black marks are, but it doesn't matter. They're going to be turned away anyway. Alright. Let's find the centers and see if we can get it on the lathe somehow. Now I have pretty well decided that this is going to be the top. This is going to be the bottom. So if this is going to be the bottom, then as those of you who have made a pepper mill before, you know that I have to bore this up approximately 1/2 inch into the end here. Now, as you can see, there's not going to be a whole lot of thickness here afterwards. The only thing in its favor is the fact that I have found that this stuff is incredibly strong. And I found that out when I tried to break this. Now, I'm sure that I can snap it if I try real hard, but I was very surprised at how strong it actually is. So even though the wall here is not going to be all that thick, I'm not too worried about it. Now, the normal way when I've done these before is I've turned it in such a way that there's a bit of a tenon on the end of the knob here that goes down into the hole that this bit makes. I don't know if I'm going to do that. Maybe I'll just cut it off and turn the tenon afterwards. I haven't decided yet, and I want to think about it for a while. I don't want to screw this up because I don't want to ruin it, because I probably wouldn't bother making another one. It's a lot of work. Yeah. So anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for watching.